How to log into Regions Bank online banking. First of all, open your preferred internet browser. Then go to the google.com website. In the search section, type Regions Bank and hit enter. Find the search result, as shown here, and click on it. If you are a new user, you can click on Enroll in Online Banking to create an online banking account. If you are an existing user, then tap on the Login button. Fill in your username in this section. Click on this option to remember your username for future use. Then, click on Continue to log in. Also, if you have a problem, you can click on the Forgot Username or Password option. Again, fill in your password in this section. Finally, click on Continue. If you want to switch your account, click on Switch Username. Thank you.